How are you?
I'm doing great, Dania. How are you?
I'm doing perfectly all right. And aren't you excited? The project is complete. We're
Yeah,
just finishing up.
yeah. It really looks good. Everything is working. I'm so happy with your work and your team. Hats off to you guys. You've done a great job.
Thank you so much. If you're actually really happy or satisfied with my services, I would really be obliged if you could just leave me a review so that my profile can look better.
I will definitely leave a review. On top of that, I will ask my friends, my family, if they want a website done. This is the company to go.
Wow, thank you so much. This means a lot, John. John, you know that we also provide after sales support. I'm always here for you. It's just not like I've built the website and that's all. I'm always here if you need any updates, you need any edits. We do provide after sales support as well as we also help you market your stuff. Building a website is just first step, and marketing it, we also help with digital marketing and social media. So if you're looking with any help in those areas, I and my team are happy to assist you.
Perfect. I was actually looking for someone who can, now that it website is up now, so I'm actually looking for someone who can help me with SEO and ranking my website. How that works, I don't know actually. So I was actually looking for someone on this platform.
Yeah, definitely. We can do that. We just have to create quality content and do some. We will need some data from you, and then we'll assign our own team members who will be creating content around those data, like write really engaging product descriptions for you, and then we will optimize them. And I'm sure within 2 to 3 months, because SEO is a long-term thing, so it will take 2 to 3 months to start showing the results. But I'm pretty sure since we followed all the industry practices, that this site can rank well in Google searches. If you like, I can send you a detailed overview of our SEO services.
Please do. That would be wonderful. That would be wonderful. I will leave you a wonderful review. I will recommend my friends and family to you. And let's have another call so we can discuss the after launch, marketing stuff and all that. So let's schedule another call and we can talk then. Let me just leave you a review, and that's it. It was
Thank
wonderful
you
experience
so
for me.
much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so very much for being so cooperative and always being available. Yeah, we'll definitely schedule another call and discuss all your needs. And have a good day ahead.
Same to you. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Bye
Take care.
bye.
Bye bye.
Dankash.com 0304
1115786